Thoughts on Java, Episode 2, December 10, 2022. This is the second Java program that I created this year, on April 13, 2022. The objective of this Java program is to accomplish the following task. Upon entering in the console any positive integer or positive decimal number that represents age, such messages as you are a/n. With representing the different age groups and decade age names in English, are displayed in the console. It is noted that such words as quinquagenarian and septuagenarian, which end in narian, are etymologically derived from Latin. If you enter 50 in the console, the message you're a quinquagenarian will be displayed in the console as the output of the program. In the beginning of this program, the scanner class in the java.util package is imported. After the main method, a prompt for user input beginning with "please enter your age" is displayed by using the System.out.println statement. Then a double variable is declared to represent age. Next, the while true statement, also known as the infinite loop, is used. This is the most important feature of this program, since it is not mentioned in episode 1. The statement enables an infinite number of times of user input in the console, unless an runtime exception is thrown or the program is manually terminated. Next, a scanner object is instantiated in the beginning of the while true block. Then the nextDouble method is used to scan the next token of user input, namely the double variable age. Then a long series of if-else-if statements is typed to establish varying conditions for distinct age ranges, so that it is possible to accomplish different tasks for each condition. It is noted that it is possible to omit the curly brackets around the if-else-if statements. Based on a user's answer to a relevant question titled "Is there a difference in removing the curly braces from if statements in Java" on Stackoverflow, it is possible to remove curly brackets for a single statement to achieve the same effect, but for multiple statements curly braces have to be used. In this program, a single statement of System.out.println is used after the if statement as well as each else if statement. Nevertheless, there are a couple of apparent drawbacks in this program. Firstly, there are severe loopholes in the age ranges specified in the if-else-if statements. For example, if the user input in the console is 59.5, then the message "you're a sexagenarian" will be displayed in the console as the output of the program, which should have been "you're a quinquagenarian," as technically speaking, the age of 59.5 should still be classified as a quinquagenarian. To resolve this issue, the logical operator should be used within each pair of parentheses in the if statement as well as each else if statement, as demonstrated in the improved version of the program. This means that both conditions before and after must be met for executing the code blocks. For example, in the improved version of the program, the age that the user enters in the console must be both higher than or equal to 50 and lower than or equal to 60 in order to display the message "you're a quinquagenarian." Secondly, there is no try-catch statement for catching input mismatch exception, which is a runtime exception thrown by the scanner object. If the user input in the console is anything other than a number, such as any letter of the Latin alphabet, then this runtime exception will be thrown. To resolve this issue, the try keyword should be typed before the nextDouble method is used to scan the next token of user input, and after the scanner object is instantiated, with a try keyword followed by an opening curly bracket. Then all the if-else-if statements should be placed inside the try block sealed by a closing curly bracket, after which the catch keyword should be typed, followed by an opening parenthesis, input mismatch exception, a space, the letter E by default, a closing parenthesis, after which a block of code for catching input mismatch exception should be typed. In the improved version of this program, the message "please enter a number" will be displayed if the user input in the console is anything other than a number. This means that no runtime exception will be thrown and the program will proceed until manually terminated. This is a simple Java program to practice with for uninitiated programmers who have little or no programming experience. In my opinion, this is good practice for learning how to use the if-else-if statements, which are the most important conditional statements. The key point of this program is summarized below. Key point: while true / original version import java.util.scanner public class welcome public static void main string args System.out.println please enter your age and we will define your age group double age while true scanner input new scanner System.in age input.nextDouble if age -1 System.out.println it is impossible for negative values to hold true, else if age 0.1, System.out.println you are a newborn. Else if, age 1, System.out.println you are an infant. Else if, age 3, System.out.println you are a toddler. Else if, age 5, System.out.println you are a preschooler. Else if, age 13, System.out.println you are a school-age child. Else if, age 19, System.out.println you are an adolescent and a narian. Else if, age 29, System.out.println you are a vice-narian. Else if, age 39, System.out.println you are a trice-narian. Else if, age 49, System.out.println you are a quadragenarian. Else if, age 59, System.out.println you are a quinquagenarian. Else if, age 69, System.out.println you are sexagenarian. Else if, age 79, System.out.println you are septuagenarian. Else if, age 89, System.out.println you are an octogenarian. Else if, age 99, System.out.println you are a nonagenarian. Else if, age 109, System.out.println you are centenarian. Else if, age 150, System.out.println you are supercentenarian. Else if, age 150, System.out.println this value is too big to hold true. / improved version import java.util. Input mismatch exception import java.util. Scanner public class welcome, public static void main string, args, System.out.println please enter your age and we will define your age group, double age, while, true. Scanner input new scanner System.in. Try, age input nextDouble. If, age 0, System.out.println it is impossible for negative values to hold true. Else if, age 0.1, System.out.println you are a newborn. Else if, age 0.1 age 1, System.out.println you are an infant. Else if, age 1 age 3, System.out.println you are a toddler. Else if, age 3 age 5, System.out.println you are a preschooler. Else if, age 5 age 13, System.out.println you are a school-age child. Else if, age 13 age 20, System.out.println you are an adolescent and a narian. Else if, age 20 age 30, System.out.println you are a vice-narian. Else if, age 30 age 40, System.out.println you are a trice-narian. Else if, age 40 age 50, System.out.println you are a quadragenarian. Else if, age 50 age 60, System.out.println you are a quinquagenarian. Else if, age 60 age 70, System.out.println you are sexagenarian. Else if, age 70 age 80, System.out.println you are septuagenarian. Else if, age 80 age 90, System.out.println you are an octogenarian. Else if, age 90 age 100, System.out.println you are a nonagenarian. Else if, age 100 age 110, System.out.println you are centenarian. Else if, age 110 age 150, System.out.println you are supercentenarian. Else if, age 150, System.out.println this value is too big to hold true. Catch, input mismatch exception E. System.out.println please enter a number.